Erum, my mushroom, a fun mushroom picking song. Ndewo, this is Yvonne from Learn Igbo Now Challenge, and in this video we're going to learn a fun mushroom picking song titled Erum. This song is usually sung by either children or even adults when they're mushroom picking in the forest. But before we start, we're going to learn some words from this song, and it's a really simple song, and the words we'll learn are ero. Ero means mushroom. Baraka is to touch or touched. Ibaka is to touch. Baraka is touched. Baraka is touch. Then ala is ground or floor or land. Batara is picked. Bata here is to either pick vegetables or to pick fruit. Horo means uprooted. So ihoro here is to uproot something. Ready? Let's begin. Kaibido. Eromo, eromo, erom baraka n'ala horo. Erom bataru munemo, erom baraka n'ala horo. Eromo, eromo, erom baraka n'ala horo. Erom bataru munemo, erom baraka n'ala horo. Eromo, eromo, erom baraka n'ala horo. Erom bataru munemo, erom baraka n'ala horo. So the words we've learnt from this song are ero, mushroom, baraka, touched, ala, ground, floor or land, depending on the context. Batara, picked. Horo is to uproot or uprooted. Eromo, eromo, erom baraka n'ala horo. Erom bataru munemo, erom baraka n'ala horo. That's it for now. Komesia. See you soon.